So this is the changing top. Yeah, changing top, and it just has those four sides. So there wasn't a bottom to it at all, right? I think it's supposed to. Okay, so that was simple to put together. Hey everybody! I wanted to create a changing station area in our home for our new grandbaby. So I got on the hunt. I got on Walmart.com and started looking around. Now what I do know is I did not want the big traditional changing table. It's like I didn't want that. As I started looking, I didn't want that, that big old piece of furniture. I just didn't feel like it was necessary for me. Okay, I just wanted to provide a comfortable place where our grandbaby could be changed while he's here. A lot of times, like right now, I'll just put him on my lap. Old school, honey, put him on my lap and change him that way. Or either, our daughter, sometimes she'll take him to the bedroom and put him on the bed. But I just wanted to make it convenient. And also, I just wanted to buy something for him. I wanted to do that too, okay? So what I decided to do was create a very simple area. So as I was searching, again, didn't want to do a big old piece of furniture. So I found this changing table top. Okay, and I think it was like $32. We have a buffet, this buffet that's in our living room, and I knew that I wanted to use it. Okay, so when I saw the changing table top, or when I started looking for it, I knew I wanted to get something black because our buffet that I use as part of my decor, my living room, is black. So I found the changing table top. It's by Delta. Y'all, I'm ashamed to say I didn't measure or anything, and it's designed to go on top of like a dresser. And it's just a simple tabletop that you can attach to the dresser. And like I said, I didn't measure. So I ordered the tabletop because it was black. This is a Delta contour changing pad that should fit on top of the little, the changing tabletop. Hopefully, because like I said, y'all, I didn't measure it. I wanted to get, these are changing pad liners. And again, everything I just got off of Walmart.com. Some of this I probably could have gone into the store to get, but I wanted to sit at home and shop, okay? Of course I needed diapers, so I just bought me a little small pack of diapers. I bought some wipes and a wipe warmer. You guys, I have always loved a wipe warmer. I used it on my babies, and I just like the wipe warmers because those wipes be so cold, and sometimes babies will cringe or they'll cry when that cold wipe touches their little boom boom. So I had to get a wipe warmer, okay? So these are the things that I got with the changing pads. I wanted it to be something very simple that I could just pull off and, of course, toss in the washing machine, and quick and easy. And I like the fact that these it's 3 in here, so that way if I'm laundering one, then I have another one that's readily available that I can put on the changing area. Okay, so let me get this together. First of all, let me show you now that the changing top has totally been put together. Let me show you what it looks like. Now this is the changing tabletop. It was very simple to put together. As you can see, it is just 4 sides. It also has the little felt tips or the little felt pads on the bottom side of it so that it will not, you know, help prevent from scratching up the furniture. This is the back side of it, okay? And it's made to attach to the back of the dresser, but I'm not using a dresser and I'm not worried about attaching it, okay? One thing I like about it, with the lip on the bottom, it prevents it from coming off of the top of this table. I also wanted it over here because I did want it up against the wall as opposed to in front of that window. Okay, so it should be fine here because, again, it won't come off the top of this buffet. I tell you, sometimes they have this stuff taped up so good, they act like they don't even want you to get in the box. My goodness. Oh my goodness, and more plastic. Are you kidding me? Oh. So this is like this memory foam, so you guys, it's gonna have to expand. So that's the pad, and this is, I'm guessing it's a color. So it's a compressed contour changing pad, which should fit most changing tables. And like I said, this is also made by Delta, so hopefully it should work. So you see how it looks now. And this is the picture of how it should look once it expands. Okay, it said to make sure that all 4 of the corners were filled with foam. Zip it up, but do not close it completely. Release the inner air. A little bit of that open. I think as it expands, it's going to maybe kind of come up the sides, it looks like. So release the inner air and then zip it up completely. Now we wait and let it totally expand. See, it looks a little flimsy. You can tell it's not totally expanded, so let's see what it looks like in a little bit. Once it completely expands. You guys, of course, the wipes warmer has a cord to it, and we're gonna have to drill a hole so we can plug it up because I'm not gonna use it on top. If you're right in here, that's fine. You guys, I almost forgot. I wanted to show you, is this not the cutest diaper cake? This is a Jeep diaper cake that my sister made when they were here for the Easter weekend. She brought this for her niece and Jackson. Is this not the cutest? You know, I have seen many a diaper cakes, but I've never seen one like this. And it's filled with, of course, diapers. And these are no, I think these may be washcloths. And then there's blankets that's wrapped around here. As you can see, this is a bib here. The rattle, burp cloths, more diapers, and washcloths. I just thought it was so cute, and I have been meaning to share it with you guys. Just cute, cute, cute. Today is a different day, and I have finished my little changing table set up. And let me show you, let me bring you guys up close so you can see exactly what I've done. So here's the wipes warmer. It's plugged up, all ready to go to warm his wipes. And in this basket, we just have his diapers that are ready to grab and go. And then in this basket here, I couldn't quite get all of his diapers in here, so I put the extra diapers here. The wipes for the wipes warmer, the extra ones are here. The changing pad liner, it came in a set of 3, so the other 2 are here. He uses Nivea, so just in case he needs to be rubbed down a little bit more, we have Nivea. And then I got these little miniature, or these little very small quick tie Glad bags for the little stinky diapers, or pretty much all of the diapers, but mainly the little stinky diapers, so we can just put them in a little small trash bag, and that way we don't necessarily have to take them outside to the garbage right then. And that's just something else I wanted to get to put in his basket. It's a teether, so he will use that at some point. So again, it's just really, really simple. I was just trying to create a space for him to be changed. And of course, I know once he gets a certain age and starts pulling up on stuff and grabbing stuff, you know, we may not use it as much, but I didn't spend a lot of money on it. So, you know, once we stop using it, it's not like I have a big old huge piece of furniture that I have to try to figure out what I'm gonna do with it, where I'm gonna store it. I can either just put this in the garage, or if someone else can use it, I can bless them with it. Okay. So also, I know when I had my babies, you guys, I was so tired of lugging around a diaper bag. I was so glad when I could just ditch the diaper bag and didn't have to take all that stuff with me. So I don't know, this may or may not prevent her from having to lug the diaper bag in. She does pump, so I know she has her diaper bag, she has her bag, her Medela pump, that bag that she brings in, she has her purse. It's just so much that she has to carry around. So hopefully, you know, this will kind of, at least when he's at G-Mon's house and Papa's, maybe it will kind of minimize the bags that she has to bring in. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. He should be over here in a little bit, so maybe he'll get to use his changing table today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time.